Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a calendar from Samsung to Samsung. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I'm going to show you two methods you can try to transfer your calendar from one Samsung phone to another Samsung phone. Okay, first of all guys, I'm going to go to the setting. And then I'm going to go to the backup setting. Wait, let me find my setting. Okay, right here. You can open up your setting and you're going to go to the accounts and backup right here. And we can transfer the calendar using backup. So here you can either choose backup to Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. And the first one I'm going to try with Samsung Cloud. We can go to backup data. Okay, and here you need to activate the backup for the calendar right here. Okay, you can click on this toggle button to activate the backup for calendar. Okay, and then you can activate backup for the other data if you want. And here I'm just going to back up my calendar, so I'm going to disable the other backup. Okay, as you can see that the backup for calendar has been activated, and once you're done you can click on backup now. Okay, and then I'm going to click on use mobile data. Okay, and then after the calendar has been backed up or has been uploaded to your Samsung Cloud, it can be accessed using another phone. Okay, and just click on done. All right, and the second one, I'm going to try to back up my calendar with Google Drive. We can choose backup data. Okay, and this is my Google account for the backup. Okay, and here we just need to click on backup now. Okay, but here unfortunately we can't choose which kind of data we want to back up. So when you click backup now, the backup will be activated for all data you have, included the calendar. Okay, now let's exit the setting and I'm going to show you the next method you can try. You can go to the Samsung calendar, open up your calendar. Okay, and you can click on these three lines on the top left and you can scroll down and you need to activate sync now. Okay, and after the sync calendar has been activated, your calendar will be automatically backed up to your Google account. Okay guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.